Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. It is May 5th today, and I'm going to walk you through the activities for today. Some of the items are, I have linked a little bit differently, especially in reading. I'll explain that when I get to the reading activities. And today is a new spelling activity, so I'm going to show you how to do that as well. But let's start with math first. We have a brain pop video I would like you to watch. If you click on the blue words that say Brain Pop Junior, it'll take you right to Brain Pop. The username and password are here below, and I do believe that it is case sensitive, so make sure you get that capital M in Martin, and then no capitals in the password. And the video that we're going to watch is called Dollars and Cents. So if we go over to Brain Pop, we will log in. My information is saved, and here it proves me wrong. I guess it is not case sensitive because I do have a lowercase m. Okay, we're going to click log in. Remember, sometimes you have to click up over here to make sure that you're in Brain Pop Junior, so it'll search correctly for you. And then over here where it says search Brain Pop Junior, we will start typing dollars and cents. And it's the first one that pops up. And you're just going to watch the first video that says dollars and cents. Okay, you do not have to watch saving and spending right now. So go ahead and watch that video before you start the activities. In Seesaw today there are two activities. The first one is called Money 2, Coin Matching. The second one is called Money 3, Name the Coin and Tell the Value. Let's go ahead and look at those. Okay, so Money 2 looks like this. You're going to match the front of the coin with the back of the coin. So to do that, you're going to add your response. And you're going to use one of the drawing tools down below to match the front of the coin to the back of the coin. Okay, and they can draw a neat line like that. They can pick whatever color they want to use. You can use the highlighter tool, the glow pen, whatever you'd like. And then at the end, you can click the microphone and just tell me what the coins are. Okay, so you can just go down the row and tell me what the coins are. When you're finished, just click the green check mark over here in the corner when you're done. Okay. And I apologize, I do have to scroll through my other activities. It doesn't just bring me right back to where I was. All right, and then Money 3 looks like this. Whoops. One moment. Add response. The first part is matching, so you're going to tell me how much the quarter is worth. Okay, so you'll use the draw tool to match how much the quarter is worth. And then over here, you're going to match the name of the coin. So you'll have to use the move tool to move the names next to the correct coin. Okay, when you're finished, click the green check mark so it gets sent to me. While we're in Seesaw, I'm not going to go back to the calendar, but for reading, it is the retelling cards of the story, One Word from Sophia, and that looks a little bit different today. Okay, it says Sophia retelling cards, and you're probably wondering where those cards are. What I did this week was I linked the read aloud and the retelling together. So it's kind of a two-step process, but it eliminates how many things show up on the to-do list for today. So if you want to listen to the story again, go ahead and click where it says link, and that will bring you to the YouTube video of me reading the story. To do the actual retelling, you're going to click add response. And here is the activity. You'll have to use the move button at the bottom to put the cards in order. Okay, I did not put them in order, so that is not the order that they should go in. So that's how that works this week, and then click the green check mark when you're done to submit that to me. So the read aloud is linked there. So to get to the read aloud, again, you're going to have to click on the picture of the book, and that will take you to YouTube. And then to do the actual retelling, you will click on the add response button. And that was for the reading activity. Lastly, there is a spelling activity, and it's spelling word boxes. Let me show you what that looks like. Can't remember if it's at the bottom. Here we go. All right, so we're going to add response, and we're going to use our drawing tool today. Now, depending on what kind of a device you're working on, it might be a little bit easier or harder, but just do your best. I would use this marker tool here rather than the pencil tool to draw the words. So the students have to figure out what word goes in this box. Now, this is a long word, so this tells me that the first letter is going to hang low, and then there's 2 letters after it, and this last letter is a wide word, and this word is jaw. So I will do J, A, W, and I'm using my mouse, so it's not the best handwriting, but it'll do. And then I can cross off jaw in the list. For the next word, you'll notice that some boxes are taller, so this would be a tall word. And this box is kind of skinny, so there's a skinny letter at the end. I'm sorry, I keep saying word. Letter. A tall letter, 2 short letters, a tall skinny letter, and then another taller, maybe a little bit wider letter or a fatter letter that takes up some more space. So it might take them some time to go through, but I just wanted to change it up from the last few weeks where we were doing the emoji spelling. Okay, and again, just click the green check mark when you're all finished, so that comes to me. And that is it today. I didn't mention reflex math, but if you do have some extra time and today didn't take you as long to do your activities, feel free to fit that in. Remember, you only have to do it twice in a week, but I know some kiddos just love it and they would like to do it every day, and that is perfectly fine. If you have any questions or difficulty getting to any of the activities, just let me know. Have an awesome day.